try to remove this cover here. We can remove the airbag. I think this one stays here. Nope, that goes out too. And now we can see the airbag better. You need to just pry the clip out from the airbag. A little hard to see. Move this out. You can use a bigger screwdriver. Oh, that's the best thing to do. Got one out. So you gotta do is, it's a clip that looks like this shape, and the plastic is in there, right? So all you gotta do is go behind the clip and kind of like wiggle the screwdriver to open it up and pull the airbag. Here. With this being the wheel to get it into a position that I can work. Put a line in the bottom as well. And they make this sides very hard. But I mean, it's this size in here, they're hard on your whips. Feels so much better. This here's always up. That should do it. Yep. This has clips in here on the side. You're supposed to push with your finger. So push one with your finger. Here's the back of the screwdriver on the other side. And that's it. Always, when you're removing the airbag, face up, away from you. I'm going to put this on the back. I've never seen that one of them before, but I mean, I don't want to be the first one. And that is a 13. Right? Yes. I use a Milwaukee stubby for this. It takes it beautiful. And this one has a dot in here and a key. So it looks like it cannot be installed in a different position. So I'm going to put a mark on that. As for me, Let's see if we can just hold this. Yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Put this on the back. Just always be careful not to spin this crazy. Try to keep it on the same spot. Alright, so I'm definitely going to be removing this. Get it out of my way. It's really simple wiring wise. Yep. We have another connector on the top. Alright. Now we need the pin folder. Should probably just leave that in there. I'm going to be using it a lot. Just take your time. Take these clips out of here because you're going to be using them. Should have to put the zip backwards more. Still got my life. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put it in here. We need a wrench for that. 13, 14, 52. Tight. Use another wrench to pry. Have a knot on the back. Really speaking. Doesn't look like it. All the way up. Usually put a little bit of rug tie on it so they don't come off. Almost out. And this is the fastener. Now let's get the ones that are holding this here. Now, this is a square in the back, and it has one position only with the spot for the hole to go through. So no worries on that. Trying to see what I need to remove in here in order to get it out completely. do this one here too. That's a size 13. So let's take that one first. Very short. This one. Oops. Other ones are just 3 nuts. They had a big flat washer. We can use the ratchet in here. If I were the one, I have to do that by hand all the way out. Yes, sir. Alright, so steering column. I think these other ones I can use this stuff before. We're in the next section. And before I can remove this one, get in position to hold it. Should do it. This is your steering column. Again, make sure that this stays here. That's it. Put this on the back. Put this one out in the same tray. Same look as the other one. It's starting to looking good. Take a look at that. I know the connectors are some connectors on the back. Hopefully, just hopefully, those are the ones that we need to remove this harness from here. It's hard to say. Information is not really that good as far as what you need to remove from the dashboard itself. I can see a harness going on. I will get attached to this one. And if that's the case, this one in here. Well, too. So both of these Y connectors need to be removed. Okay. I have this. Put these on my way because it goes through the water. Probably just pull out. This connector, I'm just going to pull it out. This big one You have to fish it out of there. Otherwise it's going to be in your way. When you're trying to remove the hood lights either way you want. Nice. So I have to look and see what else we got. Stay and put a little wire in here, but that goes to me. So little pedals. I think I'm good here. Yep, I feel very comfortable. This side, I'm going to remove a 7 that I have here. Right on the side. Hopefully you guys can see. Same thing, all the 7s are almost the same length. I haven't removed one that it doesn't. And we have 2 10s here holding the dashboard. I'm going to remove the bottom one. So this is one of them. And the upper one is just going to lose it up for now. Okay. Gotta go clean my gloves to remove trims.